Okay, this is a question on standard form. We are given the surface area of the Earth and the surface area of Jupiter, and we are required to find how many times the surface area of Jupiter is greater than the surface area of the Earth. So the surface area of the Earth is 510072000. Now we need to put this figure in standard form. So to do this, we need to ignore all the zeros at the end. So let's write the figure again. So 510072. So we ignore all the three zeros at the end. And then we need to look at the first two digits and put a decimal point in between. And to write a figure in standard form, we always need to multiply by 10 to the power of something, and the power would be the number of position the decimal point has moved. So for example, for this one, the decimal point would have been here. So we need to see how many times the decimal point has moved. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's where our decimal is. So that would be multiplied by 10 to the power of 8. Now the surface area of Jupiter is already given in standard form, which is 6.21795 multiplied by 10 to the power of 10. And the question is to find how many times the surface area of Jupiter is greater than the surface area of Earth. So what we need to do, we need to divide the area of Jupiter against the area of the Earth. So the area of Jupiter is 6.2175 multiplied by 10 to the power of 10 divided by the surface area of the Earth, which is 5.10072 multiplied by 10 to the power of 8. So we use our calculator. So 6.21795 to the power of 10 divided by 5.10072 to the power of 8. So we'll have 121.90. So remember, in our question, we need to give our answer in standard form. So again, we look at the first two digits and put a decimal point in between. So that'll be 1.2. And then we need to see how many positions the decimal point has moved. So 1, 2. So that'll be 1.2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. And that's our answer.